Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're tackling a common error that many Node.js beginners face: uncaught reference error, require is not defined. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's usually easy to fix. We'll explore why this error happens and provide several solutions to get your code working smoothly. Let's get started. First, let's understand why this error occurs. The require function is part of the CommonJS module system, which is traditionally used in Node.js environments. It's how you import modules in Node.js. However, modern JavaScript, especially in browsers, uses ES modules with import and export statements. The require is not defined error typically pops up when you're trying to use require in an environment that doesn't support CommonJS, or when your Node.js project isn't configured correctly for CommonJS. Now, let's dive into some solutions. The most common fix is ensuring your file is treated as a CommonJS module. To do this, you can add type module to your package.json file. If you do this, you'll need to switch to using ES modules, import-export syntax, in your JavaScript files. If you want to stick with require, remove type module from your package.json file, or set it to type CommonJS. Another option is to use a bundler like Webpack, Parcel, or Browserify. These tools take your Node.js code with require statements and bundle it into a single file that can run in a browser. They handle the module resolution for you. If you're running your code in a Node.js environment, make sure you are actually executing the script with Node.js using the command nodeyourfile.js. Sometimes the error arises because the code is accidentally being run in a browser's JavaScript console, where require isn't available. If you are writing code intended for both Node.js and the browser, you might need to use conditional imports. This involves checking the environment before using require. For example, you can check if the module object exists to determine if you're in a Node.js environment. Another potential cause is incorrect file paths in your require statements. Double-check that the path to the module you're trying to import is correct. Also, verify that the module you're trying to require is actually installed. Use npm install module name to install any missing dependencies. If you are using TypeScript, ensure your xconfig.json file is configured correctly. The module option should be set to CommonJS if you intend to use require. So, remember to check your environment, verify your package.json settings, and double-check your file paths and module installations. These steps should help you resolve the uncaught reference error, require is not defined error. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand and fix this common error. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials. Your support helps me create more content like this.